6 surprising foods that destroy your hormones and your skin. Because many women don't pay attention to their lifestyle and diet, it affects their elimination, organs and skin. Hormones acne is not a simple problem and can't be compared to the occasional zit we all get sometime. How hormones affect your skin. A serious endocrine imbalance in the body, with the majority of women experiencing it when they are ovulating or just before their period, is the most common cause of hormonal acne. From a hormonal perspective, as it is the time when both estrogen and testosterone are at their peak, this makes perfect sense. Estrogen and testosterone would not be problem in women whose endocrine system work optimally, but the hormones accumulate over time and can't be properly removed in women. Those endocrine system is disrupted, while the extra testosterone can stimulate the sebaceous glands to produce more oil. This may result in estrogen dominance and skin inflammation. As the blood is coming to the surface of the skin and may cause acne and redness, this effect may be enhanced just before the period. As testosterone affects your follicles, this may also make you more prone to hair loss or growth. The skin works together with their important elimination organs such as the liver, large intestine and the lymphatic system, and it is the large elimination organ in the body. In order for your system to work properly, everything you eat and use on your body must be thoroughly processed and eliminated. Acne can't be treated with creams or pills. The problem can only be resolved if you change your diet and lifestyle. Here are some tips on how to eliminate hormonal acne. Avoid eating dairy and gluten products. This will inflame your intestine and make matter worse. Avoid eating soybeans. Make sure to always read the label before buying something, because soybeans are present in many foods and supplements. Avoid eating peanuts. People allergic to peanuts may have an adverse reaction such as swelling of the skin and rashes. Avoid using canola, sunflower and vegetable oil on your food. These cooking oils contains omega-6 fatty acids instead of omega-3 fatty acids, which cause inflammation in the skin. Avoid black tea and caffeine. Both coffee and black tea may deprive your body of essential nutrients and affect the immune response of the skin. Here is a remedy that will regulate your endocrine system. Ingredients: half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of coconut water, half a green apple, half cucumber, half a lemon, 2 celery stalks, 4 romaine lettuce leaves, 4 strawberries. Preparation: just mix all the ingredients in a blender and in the morning on an empty stomach drink half of a cup, and remedy for the half of a remedy for a month. This remedy will restore the beneficial bacteria in your body such as probiotics, which are crucial for proper digestion and health. This bacteria also release an enzymes that metabolizes estrogen and will regulate your hormones. To make sure you have enough beneficial bacteria in your body, take a probiotic supplement every day.